अब किस तरह का फिल्म?
Recently, there was this one tweet sort of that made headlines, and was retweeted by you about the national anthem and you watching Bang Bang. Of course, you went and watched the movie. Anything you want to say about that? Any clarification?
Well, I don't need to give any clarifications. I've always felt that, of course, it was reported that everybody got upset with me, but I think that was complete misrepresentation, because if you look at the chat history, there were 5 people and there were 1,000 people who said. So I think the problem is our country never really asks us for anything, right? It just, the only thing we are expected to do as our rights is to keep it clean, is to respect our armed forces and people who have laid their lives for this country. If you look at that national anthem, it's people standing at 23,000 feet, and they can't stay there more than 6 months because they get bulimic lung syndrome, water goes in their lungs. You can't stand as a mark of respect. The same people go to other countries and stand for their national anthems. So everybody quietly stands up because somebody will say something to you. So these are not things somebody should tell you. They should come from within you. I think if itni choti cheezein come from within you, tomorrow if a woman is being troubled on the road, people will go and help her, because everybody is like, it doesn't concern me attitude. But having said that, it was kind of weird because everybody wanted to throw him out and hit him or whatever, and I just said I think we should leave. I didn't want another tamasha. But I did find out, I think, that he did come back later.